Want to learn data analysis in 2025? Watch this video. This video for people who have no background in data analysis and want to learn it from scratch in 2025. I want to share with you the best way and a trick to become a data analyst quickly and easily. I know some of you guys might have started and completed some courses, but still feel unconfident or hesitant about your knowledge. You probably took a course on YouTube, something from Udemy, and read some articles, but still don't feel fully qualified to get a job, right? Okay, I understand your concerns and what you need to become a data analyst quickly. I'm sure that you watched so many videos on YouTube to become a data analyst and to find a roadmap. From what I can see now, people at this stage, the beginning of their learning journey, usually face three common challenges. So number one is wrong learning roadmap. I'm sure that some instructors or teachers have directed you to choose the learning roadmap that wasn't that much effective for you or didn't work for you. And you're kind of lost. You have so many courses around you and you don't know that which ways is the best way for me. The challenge number two is the lack of time management skill. Whether you're already in a tech-related field and your current work isn't too far from data analysis, or you're on a completely different path, it's okay. But you want to transition into this field. So you need to balance, both of you guys, you need to balance your personal life, including your income stream, with learning. This means planning your schedule so nothing is missed, so you can manage both learning and your personal life at the same time. And it doesn't mean that you have to spend 2 hours a day. Instead, dedicate time to learning every day so that you can stick to it. Even half an hour, it's okay. Over time, you'll find yourself willing to spend more time and eventually fully transition. The challenge number three is the lack of confidence to present yourself. At the end of the day, it's you. You need to put yourself out there. You have to take risks and jump into the market. And as I mentioned, you'll become more proficient as you work and gain experiences throughout the way. And it's okay, okay? So without any further ado, let's talk about the best and easiest learning roadmap to become a data analyst in 2025. In one word, analystbuilder.com by Alex. Okay. I'm not asked by Alex or anyone to promote him, and this video has no sponsor. Now, let me tell you why this website and his methods are the best. I was once like you, suddenly finding courses on platforms like Coursera and thinking, oh my God, this course is from a reputable university, and this is exactly what I need. This course will literally take me to data analysis. No. Listen, let me be frank with you. The job market doesn't care how many courses you've taken or how well you know theoretical definitions, okay? They want to see our ability to get things done. They want to see that when you are given a data set, you can handle it. They want to make sure that you have the minimum hard skills to get things done, okay? In other words, you need to know SQL first, and that's the first requirement. Okay. And usually during interviews, technical people won't ask you how many data types SQL has or some definitions. They'll give you a coding challenge and look at your coding portfolio. Okay. And that's the important positive point about it, analystbuilder.com. He's doing the real project. He jumps into the coding because he knows that a real data analyst should know coding stuff. And all his courses are designed to teach you the practical skills that the job market needs. Alex's courses usually have 2 or 3 introductory videos before immediately starting to coding and do real things. And I think it's really awesome. Okay, this is a really practical course. I see so many courses on the web labeled as a data analysis bootcamp or full data analysis course, something like that. They drag you through long and complicated paths, starting with numerous definitions and a very slow step-by-step approach to coding. And just this, there are really time wasting. Okay, all you need to do, go to analystbuilder.com. And the first course you need is MySQL for data analysis. Like I said, SQL is the first, okay? And once you understand how to code it and get insights, start learning a little bit about Excel. And after that, you need to know and you need to learn visualization, for which you can go ahead and take the Tableau course. And based on my experience, all of these 3 courses take you about 2 months at most to complete 3 courses. And that's it. And I truly believe that many things can be learned along the way, like Python. As a junior data analyst, you don't necessarily need to know Python right away. You have to know the fundamental things for data analysis, including SQL, Excel, and Tableau. And after some time working and handling projects, you might find a need to learn Python for a specific project. That's okay. Go ahead. You can take Python for data analysis. I'm talking about the fundamental things, the minimum hardest skills you need to start as a data analyst, right? So you don't have to wait to master everything before jumping into the market. So say goodbye to all those courses that you bookmarked on your browser and subscribe to analystbuilder.com for only $34 US. And I believe investing this amount of money in yourself is minimal. It's really nothing. And it's totally worth it. And after subscribing for 2 or 3 months and completing 3 courses, you won't need anything else. And as I mentioned, the rest comes from practical work and facing real world challenges. Throughout the working, when you actually get hired, you're going to face new challenges. You're going to search that. You're going to ask ChatGPT. You don't have to wait to master. Okay. So, and if you're concerned about getting job, Alex has another course called Landing a Data Job, where you'll learn how to market yourself and get hired easily. All right, that's all for now. I hope you can get the most out of this advice and you can start data analysis easily with analystbuilder.com. Also, Alex has another channel on YouTube, which is Alex the Analyst. You can go ahead and subscribe to his channel. He has also some videos, some very practical videos, some free videos for learning SQL. But this website is better because it's more organized. It's more designed from scratch, from the beginning until the proficiency of SQL and all the hardest skills you as a data analyst need to know.